Thomas Bracewell acquired Plox Farm over 50 years ago when it was a mixed arable and livestock farm. Ever since then, we have understood that we are tenants of the land and that we must do all we can to protect the environment and world we live in. We also understand that making and delivering the world's finest pet food means that you must use only the finest ingredients and, crucially, understand where all of those ingredients have come from. Still farming the land means that we have access to the finest locally sourced produce. One of our core values at GA is integrity, doing the right thing when no one is looking. That's why we've invested in a recycling centre that ensures 98% of all waste generated on site is recycled, including cardboards, plastic, wood, metals, paper and other recyclable materials. The promise of zero waste to landfill will be achieved by further improved recycling systems in the new 14,000 square foot designated recycling building. The GA sweeper is responsible for all three sites to ensure all areas are kept clean and tidy, both for visitors and colleagues. We believe to make and deliver the world's finest pet food, you must have a site that everybody is proud of. All roof water at GA's production site will be harvested for on-site reverse osmosis, ensuring it can be used for mains water replacement. Construction has started in 2020 to the expansion of the wastewater treatment works, which will allow more water to be recycled and reused on site. GA have invested in a state-of-the-art odour abatement plant, which significantly reduces odours from manufacturing to a level well below set consent limits. The water lagoon has 3 otter binds that prevent algae growth and allows the water to be used on site as a cooling water that aids production. GA is ever mindful of its social and ecological responsibilities to the local community, evident by the planting of 20,000 trees and shrubs around the site in the past 5 years alone. Further investment can be seen by the creation of wetland areas and installation of bat boxes and bird boxes around Plox Farm site. This has significantly helped to increase biodiversity and wildlife around the site. We are also proud of our beehives that produce fantastic local honey. GA have invested in an acoustic wall which is 255 metres in length. This will surround the production site and ensure the local community are protected from any loud noises. Here at GA, it's not just our logo that's green.